Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace this boring looking login and registration page of WordPress to be something like this, where you can replace the background image and also add your business logo and make some design tweaks to the login or registration box itself. All of this will be done by using a free plugin inside WordPress. But before I show you this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this video is part of my 100 days of video creation challenge, where I publish a video every single day for 100 days for YouTube. So your subscription will be a great support for me during this challenge. So now let me show you how you can do this at the back end dashboard of your WordPress website. Once you are inside the dashboard, I need you to install the plugin by going to Plugins and click Add New. And here you need to search for a plugin called Logan Press. And this is the plugin that we're looking for. Make sure that you install the main plugin, because it has some add-ons, but these are all paid add-ons. I think we need only the main plugin for this tutorial or for this video. So you simply activate it by clicking Install Now, and then you click Activate. Once you do this, you'll find a new item created at the left side menu of the screen. So here maybe you need to go to the settings first and just review some basic settings. I just skip this step. Maybe you need to review these settings and make sure maybe something like to auto remember the remember me button, and maybe also to login order to be like both your username or email address, and maybe you can review these settings. But the main part of the customization will be done inside the customizer. So let's just first save changes here, and let's open the customizer. So this is the customizer. You'll find a new item called Logan Press. So choose Logan Press, and here you can customize or make some tweaks to the login page and registration page of WordPress. So this is the default theme or background image that is added by default by Logan Press. But of course we can make some tweaks to it. For the themes, these are different themes. These are all paid. If you like to pay for the plugin, that's fine. But for this video, I'm using the free version, which I think is enough for you. So let's start by adding our logo. So we need to choose the logo here, and here we can just change the logo. This is the logo of WordPress. So we can select the logo from our media library here. If you don't have it, you simply can just upload it here. So let's choose our logo. This is our logo. Let's choose it and click choose an image. So now our logo has been added. Of course, this looks smaller than we need. So we can just change the logo width from this area. So maybe we'll make it like 200 pixels. And also you can change the height of the logo if you like. You can just control it from here. Let's make this like 40. Okay. If you like to add a space between it, you can just control it from here. So I think we have already added our logo, and you are done here. If you like to disable the logo, of course you can just uncheck this to disable the logo. Let's go back. So for the background, here you can control which background image that you like to have. For example, maybe I like to use this image because it reflects my brand for this painting, website. If you like to add an extra image, maybe you don't like these like 9 images, you can just select an image here and select an image from your media library. So this looks nice. Also for the you can control, of course, the repeat, no repeat, the center, the position, and for the image size itself, I like you to choose cover. So to make sure that the background image covers all the scene area, all the viewport. If you like to add a background video, you can just choose from here and add your video. So now we are done here. Let's go back to the list of the settings and here for the customize the login form itself. For example, we can start by customizing or changing the form background. If you like to change it, you can change it from here to be something like this, to be like white, to add whatever color you want. I like to keep it like this. And also we can change the form width itself. So what is the width of this login form? You can control it from here. If you like to make it larger, you can just control it from here. And also you can change the radius. So these corners, you can add some radius to it to make it like round corners. You can change it from the form radius here. As you can see, I like to keep it like a small radius, like this one. Oh, this one looks fine. Of course, you can add like a shadow to the form if you like. You can add a shadow from here. and you can change the padding, but I think this padding of the form looks nice. Okay, also you can change the width of this fields if you like to make it like smaller. Okay, you can change it from here. For the font size, for example, this username and email address and password, you can change the size from here. You can change it from here. Let's make this like 20. And let's make the remember me, which is this button. If you remember in the settings tab, we added like, we make it like by default checked. So let's make this like maybe like 18, or let's make this like, I think they only accept the slider. So this looks nice to me. Okay, let's go back and customize some other. Let's choose. Okay, if you like to customize the remember me, if you like to have like different images for the remember me or the forgot password, sorry, for the forgot password image, you can choose it from here. Okay, let's go back. For the button itself, here you can control the background color of the button. If you like to change it to be like button color, you can change it to be like this. If you like to make it like this or like this, I like to keep it like maybe black. And of course, you can change the background border. You can change the hover. Of course, you can change it if you can add a box shadow. For the box size, I like to keep it like 100 pixels. And also you can control the padding of the button itself. Let's see if we have like text size. Yes, we have text size. You can change it. You can increase the text size to be something like 20 pixels to make it like more readable. Now everything looks fine. So let's go to the error message. If you like to customize the error messages, if you like to say something different, but I think the rest of the settings can be left as default. Maybe you are, let's have a look for the form footer here. Yes, if you like to change this, like remember, you can change the message. Let's call this, did you forget your password? And this is the link. If you like to change the font size again, you can change it from here, maybe to make it like this, and make some other tweaks. The only thing that needs some coding, maybe for the box itself, I like to have it like center inside the page, not at the top, because now it looks at the top. To do this, you need to add some coding to some CSS code, which is, I will be leaving this code down below in this video description. So let me copy it and paste it here. So let me just copy it from this text box and add it here. And let's click pop. Now let's close this and let's try to log in again to the page, to the website by, let's take this URL and open it in incognito mode. Let's go here and click here and let's paste it here. So this is our new custom login page. If people like to register, they will just click register here, and they will have the same page. If they click did you forget your password, they will have the same page. So you have consistency across all of your registration, login, and forget password pages. So this is how easily you can customize the registration, login, and forget password pages. I don't think you need some fancy tools to do this. One plugin is enough for you to make the page more beautiful for your website visitors. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please consider to subscribe to the channel, because this will be a great support for me during my 100 days of video creation challenge. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.